Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the Under Armour Charge Commit TR4 shoes. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. So let's take a look at it. Now there's not going to be a whole lot to show you here since they're just some tennis shoes. They have various different styles and colors. I tend to go with something that's pretty simple, pretty conservative, and that's exactly what I thought these might be. So let me see. Anyway, that's a look at them. If you order them from Amazon, this is what they're going to look like when they come in. I hope the video helped.